I don't know about you, but I hate the time it takes to make smoothies, putting all the ingredients separately and clean up. Way too much time in the morning when I would just want to start my work day. So we're going to speed up the process and I'm going to show you how. No more cutting frozen bananas. What am I doing with this? I would put this in the microwave for 30 seconds to try and cut it. No more of that. I'm going to show you a better technique. So before, I would take bananas, put them in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then peel it. And that works all right, but then you get like a nasty banana, nasty peel. I don't want that anymore. You can use this technique, but I got a better one for you. First part, we take our bananas, so peel that. This is like meal prepping smoothies, essentially. If you have a rotten part, just cut it off. No need to throw out the whole thing. Now, carefully, you don't want to smush these. We're just gonna chop them, and you don't need to go too small with these. Okay, now we take Okay, now we take a big freezer bag, and we can just start putting in our bananas. Be careful, don't squish them around too much. But I'm just gonna put in a little bit, and then what I'm gonna do is get the other ingredients that I'm gonna put into that bag. So what do I got here? I have some already frozen spinach. I buy all of this at Costco. Berries, mixed berries is perfect. And frozen avocados. This adds healthy fats, makes it super delicious and creamy. When I don't mix it all together, then I just don't even put in all the ingredients that I want to, so this just saves time. An extra like 5-10 minutes every morning, that adds up. I'm actually gonna prep 2 of these. You can choose your own ingredients. I like to put in spinach, I like to put in some kale. Both healthy, get your greens. Make you feel good. I might need to do more of these. Next, we have our frozen berries. Some avocados. And I also have some washed and dried kale. And I'm also going to put in some hemp seeds. So you can put dry stuff in here. You can put chia seeds, get your nutrients. I'm gonna put everything but the protein powder and the milk, because I don't care if these are slightly off, but I want a pretty consistent ratio with my protein powder. Give that a bit of a mix. Careful, don't squish the bananas. Before this is melted, I want to get some of this in, so get a good scoop. You don't have to use your bare hands, but mine are clean. Throw that right in there. Then add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. I'm using some Vega protein greens. Plant-based, no whey. Because I'm not a baby cow. And some nut milk. I'm using cashew, my favorite soy, Almond Works, oat. All of them are pretty delicious. I'm kind of just eyeballing here, but I think that's about a cup. And usually I add a bit of water. So it's quite cool. Of course, blend that. Looks like sludge, but tastes delicious. Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this and all this. And for the next few weeks, I'll have those at least 2 weeks. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, leave a comment down below. Love to hear from you. I always read the comments, try and engage when I can. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.